Before cakes, bread and pastries reach consumers, they go through a process that begins in the bakery. At Sila's Oven Limited, bakery owner Priscilla Mugera is part of that process every day. From preparing ingredients to baking and packaging, every stage requires attention.
We aim to make sure that the ingredients are fresh, made in the right processes, and made with the ingredients of the highest quality. That way we ensure that the products at the end is the high quality product, and also the process, the baking process, the cooling process, the decorating process, everything has to be on point from beginning all the way to the end.
For a bakery, these are part of the everyday demands of getting a product ready for the market.
So we try as much as possible to get certified products. For example, the wheat flour is already certified, the icing sugar is certified. So some of the ingredients are certified. There are some ingredients like eggs that might not be certified, but we try to get from the same source, just to make sure that we maintain consistency in the taste and the quality of the products.
Priscilla's experience gives us a look inside the bakery and the work involved in maintaining quality during everyday production. But what does proper production require?
Begin with the very first steps. Now, for example, in bakery or in production, we have what we call a raw materials check. We have to verify and check these raw materials. That is to say, they have to be from certified suppliers. Certified suppliers, I mean, not any random supplier can give you what you're going to use. So that is among the very first things we look at. Apart from the raw materials check, we also have the good manufacturing practices, GMP. Good manufacturing practices include a good work environment, not just good work environment, but a clean work environment. The food safety measures put in place. The communication measures put in place. Communication measures, especially now when you get to a production plant or any production site, for instance, there have to be communication, visual aid communications that remind people, for example, to wash hands, to keep maybe their headgears on, to handle food well and safely.
These practices are part of the standards expected of food businesses. But who sets these standards and how is compliance assessed?
UN-based certification is important. First of all, it builds confidence of the products in the consumers. Yes, the consumers are confident of the products that are on market if they are certified. And baked products are perishable products. So it is important that UNBS counter checks, yes, these products before consumers take them on, and we majorly do that through certification.
Certification provides a way of demonstrating that a product or business has met the required standards. But meeting a standard is not a one-time exercise. The practices behind that standard have to continue throughout everyday production.
A number of standards. Yeah, majorly we don't deal with only particular standards for a particular product. We also embed in other standards. For example, we have the standard for cake. It's a cake specification. It's a version of 2020. It stipulates all the requirements that a person who bakes cakes should fulfill in their product.
Once cakes, bread and pastries leave the bakery, their journey continues. At the retail stage, products must also be properly received, stored and handled before they reach the shelf.
It's through evaluation, and this is the way we evaluate our suppliers. So we choose them according to the quality of a product, the way it tastes.
Checks such as product condition and expiry dates form part of the process. This means maintaining quality is not the responsibility of the bakery alone.
On that case, what we do, we always follow the quality control of our product. So we ensure that our product, the product before getting it, we ensure that it can satisfy a customer. It can be of full compliance with the laws and regulations according to the UNBS.
From production to retail, maintaining quality involves several stages.
We also have the standard for labeling. Yes, it's a version of 2014. We keep revising them. And this standard also It's majorly for prepackaged foods. There's a particular standard for bread, but it also works in conjunction with the labeling standard. We also have the standard for hygiene in drink and food industry. It's a version of 2002. Yes, it's an East African standard combined with the Uganda standard, US 28, EAS 39. It's a major standard in the food industry. It stipulates all aspects of hygiene. It's a code of practice for hygiene in food and drink industries.
For Priscilla, it begins with the work done inside the bakery. For baking specialists, it means following proper production practices. For UNBS, it means setting standards and assessing compliance. And at the retail stage, it means ensuring products are properly handled before sale. The challenge is not simply having standards, it is making sure they are followed in practice every day. Because the quality of cakes, bread and pastries does not begin on the supermarket shelf, it begins long before they get there.